AI research scientist. Salary, $120,000 to $200,000. Job description. Conduct research on artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Develop and improve algorithms and models to solve complex problems. Design and implement experiments, analyze and interpret data, and present findings. Collaborate with cross-functional teams to apply research to real-world applications. Stay updated with the latest advancements in AI and contribute to the scientific community through publications and presentations. Requirements: PhD in computer science, artificial intelligence, or a related field. Strong background in machine learning, deep learning, and statistical modeling. Proficiency in programming languages such as Python, Java, or C++. Experience with machine learning frameworks, for example, TensorFlow, PyTorch. Solid understanding of mathematics, linear algebra, and calculus. Ability to design and implement complex algorithms and models. Strong problem-solving and analytical skills. Excellent written and verbal communication skills. Publication record in reputable AI conferences or journals is preferred.